In 1896, in a growing Dallas, two entrepreneurs had a bold idea: to build the nation's best industrial supplier. That vision became Briggs-Weaver Machinery Company, which quickly gained momentum and expanded to Houston in 1949 as America's post-war economy surged. In 1952, Charles A. Sammons acquired Briggs-Weaver, bringing the company into the Sammons Enterprises family, and ultimately leading to employee ownership through an ESOP. That ownership mindset continues to shape Briggs today. New partnerships followed over the next 30 years: Trackmobile, Yale, and Kalmar, Ottawa. Briggs expanded across the South, growing not just in size, but in capability. In 1996, Briggs Equipment was formed to expand the material handling business. Growth accelerated, adding Heister, Karcher, Polaris, Princeton, and more. In 2022, Briggs Industrial Solutions was created to diversify the business and provide a more comprehensive offering to customers through 4 distinct divisions: Briggs Equipment, Briggs Truck and Rail, Briggs Earth and Ag, and Briggs Warehouse Solutions. Over the next few years, Briggs accelerated its growth through strategic expansion and new partnerships, adding a second Houston location, opening a Lubbock Truck and Rail branch, establishing a new Dallas Truck and Rail location, and launching the Briggs Industrial Solutions Experience Center. The company also broadened its industrial equipment lineup with JCB scissor lifts and aerial booms, and formed new partnerships with Fusion, Moffett, and Boss rail car movers, further extending its reach and capabilities. For 130 years, Briggs has adapted, expanded, and evolved, powered by dedicated employees and trusted partnerships. Industries have changed, technology has advanced, markets have shifted, but one thing hasn't: a commitment to doing things the right way. 130 years strong and just getting started.